Over the past few weeks, we've talked with doctors who say because of the coronavirus pandemic, a lot of their patients are scared to come in for treatment or routine checkups. And the doctors think that could lead to some big problems health-wise down the road. News 5's Cherish Lombard is joining us from her home tonight to tell us why a large part of that concern, Cherish, is now focused on children.
Yeah, pediatricians say a lot of children are behind on vaccinations. In fact, today the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention's Morbidity and Mortality Weekly Report was released, and it shows a definite drop in child vaccinations during the COVID-19 pandemic. The dark gray markers are where we were from 2016 to 2019. The yellow markers represent the percentage of vaccinations in 2020. The decline is due to some people being afraid of contracting COVID at a doctor's office, but also because shelter-in-place and stay-at-home orders have been in place across the country, leaving some people without public transportation to get their children to their pediatrician's office for routine checkups and vaccinations. Missing these wellness visits leaves children at a risk for vaccine-preventable diseases and their complications.
Kids are falling behind on their vaccines, which then makes that herd immunity that we're looking for to keep certain infections out. We're fearful that we're going to see again.
Members of the Academy of Pediatrics are really very nervous that measles is going to make a comeback, and that's not their only concern.
They're having strained viruses in California that look similar to a polio virus, but it's not that. So there's huge concern that we convince parents that the office is safe, you need to come in for your well child checkups, and that kids need to be fully vaccinated.
So parents, if your children are due for vaccinations, it is very important to call their pediatrician's office and schedule an appointment as soon as possible. Healthcare providers are taking extra steps to make sure you and your kids are safe in medical settings. And if you have concerns about that, you can certainly ask what they're doing when you schedule your child's appointment. Cherish Lombard, WKRG News 5.